Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TurboTax for filing using IRS identity checks. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with TurboTax for filing using IRS identity checks, start by opening the TurboTax application on your device. If you don't have the app, download it from your preferred app store. Once the app is open, click on the Sign In button. Enter your TurboTax account email and password in the appropriate fields. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After successfully logging in, select the tax return you wish to file. Proceed to the Identity Verification section, which may prompt you to confirm your identity. The IRS uses several identity verification methods, including security questions and two-factor authentication. Select your preferred method for receiving a verification code, such as text or email. If you choose text, enter your mobile number and click Send Code. Check your phone for the verification code and enter it in the app. If you opted for email, check your inbox for the message from TurboTax. Once you receive the code, input it into the designated field in the application. After verifying your identity, you may be prompted to answer security questions. These questions often relate to your financial history or personal information. Provide accurate answers to each question to proceed with the filing process. Once all identity checks are successfully completed, continue filling out your tax return. Ensure that all your information is accurate to avoid any filing issues. After completing your tax return, review it carefully for any mistakes. When you're satisfied with your return, proceed to the e-filing section. TurboTax will guide you through the final steps to submit your return electronically. If necessary, you may need to enter additional personal information for IRS records. Complete the filing process by confirming your submission. You will receive a confirmation message once your return has been filed. Keep this confirmation for your records, as it serves as proof of submission. Now you have successfully authenticated with TurboTax and filed your return using IRS identity checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.